Received this box of Mario donuts. I think it looks very sweet. I think this looks the best. And they have savory donuts as well. Talking about how Tim does not have an angry face. Just look like you want to smile all the time.
Chili padi.
Ini got chili sama juga.
So that matcha looks good.
你看，哇塞！
She's fast, but don't you worry, she is very well trained. And here at Jurassic World, we do all sorts of training. Eyes on me, Blue. And like we practice, Blue. To your side.
That's cool.
And down. Now.
Singapore. It's really cold in here, especially after it rained just now. But it's so beautiful. It really is very beautiful. So pretty. We are queuing to take a picture with Santa.
I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high. I see your face before me.
Ho, ho, ho! Season's greetings, one and all. May your Christmas stockings be full of gifts, your belly full, and your homes filled with light and laughter. Merry Christmas, Singapore!
Joseph, please follow us on Instagram as well. You guys are following.
Okay, we start recording at 9:30 and also 10 o'clock. So if you want your request vacations, then you must respect that. You have to pay attention to
Santa is the star.
Nice.
I have a feeling that our sound engineer knows me.
We're at the Coca-Cola Village. Another section with food and drinks. There's a Coca-Cola Christmas tree. Mistletoe Alley.
Guardian Levy Opa.
Let's see. I want the bear. We are back here waiting for opening time.
Yesterday we bought a few pairs of shoes, and I noticed my shoes is only, they only gave me 2 left shoes. So we're gonna exchange it today.
Luckily we checked yesterday night, otherwise we will bring this shoe back to KL. Oh my god, so funny.
Yeah, I got my Christmas gift from my parents. I wonder what is it?
Yay! Congratulations. Finally can wear. Merry Christmas! This is ruby mousse. Here to pick up cake for tomorrow's Christmas potluck. Saw this on social media and hope it's nice. Oh, looks really nice.